Hello everyone.
Hi guys, my name's Stelly.
My name's Dane.
Welcome back to our channel, Home is Where Our Heart Is.
And we are the proud authors of the book Knowledge to Forage.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make sweet chilli hawthorn sauce.
Sweet chili hawthorn sauce.
Out of these amazing red berries just behind us.
It's delicious and sweet and it's super easy to make.
So come with us and we'll show you how to make it. For this recipe you will need some hawthorn berries. Wow. Some sugar, some flour, some vinegar, garlic, ginger and a chilli. Step 1. Chop 5 large cloves of garlic. Add your 5 cloves of garlic to the blender. Bloop. 1 thumb-sized knob of ginger. There you go. And then use the back of a teaspoon just to peel it off. Peel that skin off. Roughly chop. Add your ginger to the garlic. Chop your chilli. Depending on how spicy you like it, leave the seeds in. We like it a bit mild, so we're just going to scrape those spicy seeds away. Roughly chop your chilli. Add your chilli to your garlic and ginger. We're going to use apple cider vinegar, but as long as it's white vinegar, you can use any type you like for this recipe. We're going to measure out 100 millilitres. Add 100 mils of vinegar to your ginger, chilli and garlic. Here's our hawthorn berries. We're just going to take the top and the bottom, give it a little squeeze. Woo! The pip falls out, chuck that away. Chuck the top away and add all that fleshy yumminess into your blender. Ta-da! Add as many hawthorns as you like. We're going to go for about 30 to 40 today. Now we're going to whiz it up for 30 seconds. Woo! The smell! Amazing. Pour your mix into a saucepan. Measure out 100 mils of water in your jug and then use that water to get all the goodness out of your blender. Add half a cup of sugar. Pop your hob onto a high heat and bring it to the boil, stirring all the time. Now it's boiling, turn it down to a light simmer. I'm going to leave this to simmer for 20 minutes. For the last 3 minutes of cooking, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour just to thicken up our sauce. Shake it in, little by little, stir it up. nice and hot. Give it a really good stir up. And this will thicken the sauce. Not Lana, it's chili. Pour into a bowl or a bottle to cool. We're going to use ours today with some spring rolls for dipping and some noodles. Yummers.
And there we have it. Sweet chili Hawthorn sauce.
Yummers.
Taste test. What do you think?
Is it nice, Bruce? Do you like it? Gonna go for some more?
There you have it, people. Very easy recipes. Delicious like Hawthorn sauce, but a sweet chili version.
Oh, it's delicious.
It's absolutely delicious.
Super easy recipe to make, guys. So give it a go at home. Get out there, collect some lovely Hawthorns.
Yep, Hawthorn's good for the heart, and chilies are brilliant for your health.
Yeah. And any questions, pop them in the comments below. But it's such an easy recipe.
It's so easy. Just whiz it up, and it's lovely with spring rolls, and we like pouring it on noodles and mushrooms.
Yeah, I'll go have a nice dinner now, Bruce.
Dinner time!
Dinner time!
As always, people, it's been a pleasure. Don't forget to do all the modern world things. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, follow us on social media.
Yeah, we're always popping things up on our Facebook, and you can get in touch with us there.
Yeah, and pick up a copy of our awesome book, Knowledge to Forage.
It's full of recipes.
It's full of recipes and edible plants and poisonous plants, so you don't make some sweet and sour poisonous sauce.
Yeah, so if you'd like to know more, then pick up a copy of our book and you will love it.
Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you all next time.
Peace.